So there's 7.4 million people unemployed in the United States. That's just a number that they've given. Uh, Everybody's not included in that number. It's impossible. But 7.4 million unemployment rate as of August 2025 was 4.3%. I hope that everyone that I'm talking to is not in that number. I'm in that number or outside of that number, but I am unemployed from a 9 to 5. You don't want to find yourself in that number. There's some things that you can do to prevent finding yourself in that number, which are not job security because that doesn't really exist. It's not working harder. That doesn't really stop you from being in that number. It's not working longer. That doesn't really stop you from being in that number. There's really nothing that can stop you from being in that number unless you're your own boss, unless you have your own business. That's why it's extremely important to have multiple streams of income. When I say multiple, I mean multiple. Because if you lose your base, if your base is at 9 to 5 and you lose that 9 to 5, you need some of those streams to step up to the plate. You need some of those streams to step up to the plate. I am here to tell you, if that 9 to 5 is your base, that 9 to 5 is your what you're dependent on, it's your only source of income. I am telling you from experience, you don't want to experience losing that 9 to 5 and not having other sources of income. When I talk about other sources of income, I'm not talking about your retirement plan that you're putting up for tomorrow. You don't want to have to use what you're putting up for tomorrow today. I'm talking about multiple streams of income, which is a plethora of things. But as you have been scrolling on social media, you've come across this content, my content, on my YouTube channel or wherever you're watching this at. And there may be a little bit of an interest in social media. So you might as well turn your scrolling into making money online. So when I lost my role in November 2023, I eventually turned to social media selling digital products. I sell a digital product course, and that digital product course has taught me a lot about social media, a lot about digital marketing, a lot about how to build out here in these digital streets. And this course gave me the ability to learn from it. And it's given me the ability to earn from it because it has the rights to resell it. So when I purchased it, which is a done for you, plug and play, turnkey franchise model for business on social media, that you could just plug it in, make a few tweaks here and there, set up your payments system, set up your campaigns, your funnel, your email, system, because you need systems in place. Get all that set up, and then you are ready to go. Your job description is to create content on whatever social media platforms you want to create your content on. It is totally up to you because you're the boss. Nobody's telling you where to house your business or how frequently to post about your business because you're the boss. Now, the course does provide suggestions. The course does provide things that work. Um, and if you follow the things that work, then you will more than likely be profitable with reselling the course. Even though if you decide you don't want to resell the course alone is worth the cost. So I turned to social media. I turned to selling digital products. And I do sell, like I said, a digital marketing course. I call my business Transform 180 with digital product marketing. I purchased DPU community. So you get this course, which is amazing. And then you have this community, which is amazing. So in the community, the community is like, it's like a business file. It's all about business, like social media business, how to run your business. And with that comes community. In the community, it's like a mentorship style community where we meet once a week and your questions that you bring are answered. And it usually turns into a masterclass level of teaching. My mentor has been in the social media space for over 17 years. And the information that we get on a weekly basis is even worth the cost of this actual course that I purchased. So, what's so beautiful about the entire thing is, like I was saying, is that you get to learn from it and earn from it. And being able to earn from the course and doing your job description, which is creating content, is easy. It's like an easy business model. It's already done for you. It's plug and play. Set up your payment system, your campaigns, your emails, your funnel. Get all that stuff set up. Then you're ready to go, and you just start making content on whatever platforms you want to make your content on. So you can run your business 2 hours a day, 4 hours a day, 5 days a week, 7 days a week. It all depends on what you want in return for your business. So I'm Coach Tamara Doris, by the way. Also, when you purchase this course from me, you will get a one-on-one business strategy coaching call with me, which will be amazing. It will be like on fire. And you're gonna get whatever it is that we talk about, you're gonna get this mock-up for your business, the direction you want to take your business. There's so many things that you can do under the umbrella of digital marketing. When you think about it, everything needs to be marketed. Whatever anyone's doing out here on social media, if they are trying to make some money, they need to market whatever it is that they are doing. Same system that Macy's has, Kroger has, that your mechanic has, that your um sometimes your beautician may have, your barber may be set up properly to be able to market business. And that's why you need your systems in place. That's why you need your campaign, your funnels, your emails, and things like that, because you want to be able to email your clients and talk to them about what you're offering and help them to start a business, help them to have multiple streams of income. It is so vitally important in today's age to have multiple streams of income. Living on one stream of income is living a risky life. I'm telling you, I've been there. The other thing about this whole entire course is that I didn't have to create the course. I started a coaching business. I wrote my first ebook. I wrote my first ebook. It's easy and kind of simple, but it's a lot of work. But I wrote my first ebook. And then what's beautiful about this is that you don't have to create anything outside of maybe a few emails that you're going to put into your system to send, your campaign and everything, your funnel to send out to those that have shown interest in your business. So it's turnkey, it's easy. You make content like this or content however you want to make it. You can make educational content. You can make content about why someone should purchase. You can just speak directly to your people in your content. You make your business exactly what you want it to be because you're the boss. You are the boss. And as long as we have social media, as long as you have Wi-Fi, as long as you have a will to do it, as long as you remain confident, and as long as even if you ain't confident, just get up there and say what you got to say, but your business remains. That's my point. Nobody's going to fire you. As long as there's internet, nobody's going to fire you. Nobody's going to fire you. So, I'm Coach Tamara Reese. The link is down here. You need to head over. You need to head over to Transform 180 with digital product marketing and pick up this digital marketing course so you can get busy and get started right away. We do business with you. So I'll be helping you with everything. And then you'll have the weekly meetings. It's a no-brainer, especially if you're already selling digital products. Are you selling a $500 or $599 digital product in your store right now? If you're not, it's a no-brainer to add it because the first sale you make, you make up the money that you paid to buy the course because you make 100% of the profit minus your tiny overhead that you have to run your business, which is usually just your site where you house everything, low overhead costs, but you get 100% of what you sell because this is not affiliate marketing. I don't get a percentage of what you make. So this is a no-brainer. You need multiple streams of income. You head over to my store. I have a bundle where you can make there's like 25 streams of income. There's guides and ebooks and things that are already done for you that you can plug and play into your store and sell them and make money and get started within 24 to 48 hours. I'm Coach Tamara Reese. I look forward to working with you. Blessings.